So it kind of sucks that a 12-gallon gas tank won't fit back in this compartment. Well, it'll fit in the compartment, but you can't squeeze it in through this this gap in the back. But I did go ahead and I just went and bought a second 6-gallon gas tank, because usually when we get on the boat, we cruise for hours, and gas is the last thing that I want to worry about. So 2 6-gallon gas tanks is going to be more than enough. Chances are I might never even have to touch this second gas tank, but to me, better safe than sorry. Because once you're on the water, you don't really want to hop back off to go fuel up. So I'm kind of just cleaning some things up down here, making room for the second gas tank, and then I'm just gonna squeeze it in. So here's the tank. I got a... Whoa. I just dropped a little piece of paper in there. There it goes. I got it from West Marine. It was on sale for $52.99, but you have to buy this attachment as well for your fuel line. So before I get it in there, I just want to make sure that it's the right attachment. I got it for Mercury, but who knows? Grab the fuel line. Yeah, see, this one is a bit different, so I'm gonna have to go back and exchange this real quick. West Marine closes in 12 minutes. Pedal to the metal. Pedal to the metal. Okay, made it right in time. Let's see if they have what we need. Not that one. Maybe Yamaha. Maybe. Definitely not that one. I think I'm gonna get the Yamaha one. The Yamaha one seems to be the closest. It's kind of looking like maybe the guy just used a maybe like some universal fitting. It looks to be like a Yamaha one though, so hopefully this one works out. While I'm here, $8.97 and $4.98, 25% off orange tagged items. That's a steal, if you ask me. Might as well. All right, so just got back from West Marine. It's looking like the guy previously used a Yamaha fitting. This is a Mercury, so you see my confusion. Let's just triple check. Hopefully we don't have to go back because now it's closed. This one looks like it should be the one though. That's the one. Now we just gotta squeeze it in there. There we go. All right. Feed the old fitting back on. Now we gotta... I hope this fits. Looks like we got a steering cable. Move. I'm gonna put you down for a second. Gonna take this fuel line and kind of put it above all the other stuff so there's no traffic it has to go through. But looky there, double up, connect right back here. Looky there. I've been thinking about doing this for a while, so again, I wish that I could just have one 12-gallon tank, but it is what it is. A couple clean gas tanks back there ready to be filled up and taken out. Easy enough, just closing the hatches now. The guy at West Marine was nice enough to give me a strap, which I'm gonna use up here on the trolling motor. And this way I'll be able to hold everything together. There we go. Already had another one over here, so ready for safe travels. I was hoping that I would be able to take this live well out and just have a hatch. That way I could have one 6-gallon tank on this side and the other 6-gallon tank on the other side. That way, just for like weight distribution, screw it from this deck lid. But it was fiberglass in, so no such luck. But yeah, easy work of a extra gas tank in there. No clue what type of gas mileage this thing gets, but it being a 4-stroke 40 on such a light boat, I imagine this thing will get us some miles. So that'll be it for this one. Just easy stuff. Peace.